Have you seen those mind-blowing videos where a woman transforms into noodles, fire, water, or even blooming flowers dancing in the most magical way? These AI-generated videos are exploding on Instagram and TikTok, racking up millions of views and turning creators into viral sensations. There's one account pulling in 1.7 million followers. Just by posting these mesmerizing clips, each video gets millions of views, which means they're likely making thousands of dollars every month. Now, here's the exciting part: you can do this too. And the best part, it's completely free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your own viral AI videos, from crafting the perfect prompts to generating stunning visuals and turning them into scroll-stopping content. If you're new here, welcome to Money Making Secret, where I help creators like you go viral on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok with the power of AI. If you have a video idea you'd love to explore, drop a comment below and I might break it down in my next video. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Crafting the perfect AI prompt. Alright, let's talk about the most important part of making these viral AI videos: getting the prompt right. You might be wondering, how do I know exactly what commands these creators are using? Well, here's the secret: you don't have to. Instead, we're going to reverse engineer it. Here's how. Scroll through Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts and find a video that blows your mind. It could be a woman turning into flowers, a fire goddess dancing, or anything that catches your eye. Next is pause the video on a stunning frame, screenshot it, and save it. I just found one that looks insane, so I'm using this. You can pick whichever one speaks to you. Now, open ChatGPT and type this. Provide a detailed description of this image, capturing as many elements as possible. Include specifics about the colors, textures, any people or objects present, and the setting. Describe the atmosphere, notable features, interactions, and the overall mood of the scene. This will give you a detailed breakdown of the image, essentially turning it into a perfect AI prompt. Now, it won't be perfect right away, but that's okay. In the next step, we'll tweak it and make it even better. Step 2. Generating the image with AI. Alright, now that we have our perfect AI prompt, it's time to turn it into a jaw-dropping image. For this, I'm using Midjourney AI because, honestly, it's one of the best tools out there. But if you're looking for a free option, you can also use Leonardo AI or Kling AI. They work great too. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Option 1. Midjourney, my go-to choice. Open Midjourney on Discord. If you haven't set it up yet, just join Midjourney's official Discord server and you're good to go. Type "imagine" in the chat. Copy the exact prompt we got from ChatGPT and paste it in. Type AR916 at the end of your prompt. This makes sure the image is vertical, perfect for TikTok Reels. Hit enter, let Midjourney work its magic. In just a few seconds, you'll get 4 high-quality images to choose from. Pick your favorite, download it, just find the one that looks the most amazing, save it, and boom, you're done. Option 2. Leonardo AI, free, super easy. If you don't have Midjourney or just want a free alternative, Leonardo AI is a solid pick. Here's how to use it. Go to Leonardo AI, open the image generator, paste the prompt. Take the ChatGPT generated prompt and drop it into the prompt box. Set the right settings. Model Phoenix 1.0 for the best quality. Enhanced style settings leave as default. Aspect ratio set to 9:16 so your image fits perfectly on vertical platforms. Click generate and let AI do the work. Once it's done, you can choose the best image and download it. Pick the one that looks the best, save it, and you're all set. And that's it. Step 2 is done. You now have a stunning AI generated image ready for the next step. Step 3. Creating the animated video. Alright, now that we've got our stunning AI generated image, it's time to turn it into a breathtaking animated video. For this, I'm using Kling AI, which is seriously one of the best tools for high-quality animations. If you've ever seen those hypnotic, flowing noodle or fire animations, chances are they were made with something like this. Let me walk you through the process step by step. Open Kling AI, select AI videos. If you don't have an account yet, just sign up, it's free to start. Choose Kling AI version 1.6. This version gives the smoothest and most natural animations. Upload your image. Enter the perfect animation prompt. Copy and paste this into the prompt box. Animate this noodle character gracefully dancing in a bowl of noodles. Focus on flowing, elegant movements that make the noodle strands sway and ripple. Include natural flowing effects where the noodles appear to blend seamlessly, giving a sense of constant motion. And adjust the settings for best results. Creativity 0.5. This keeps the animation smooth and realistic. Mode professional mode. Duration 5 seconds. You can extend this later if needed. Finally, hit generate. Watch the magic happen. In just a few moments, your still image will come to life, moving beautifully with fluid, mesmerizing motion. Step 3 is complete. Now, you have a stunning animated video that's ready to go viral on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Step 4. How to take your creativity to the next level. Now, how do you create even more unique videos instead of just copying trends? Here's my secret. I use ChatGPT generate fresh, creative ideas. For example, instead of a noodle character, why not try one made of fire, smoke, water, ice, flowers, sand, or glass? Just type this into ChatGPT. Replace noodle with ice, stars, smoke, sand, glass, rose, flowers in the noodle prompt, and boom. It'll instantly give you a bunch of brand new prompts. Then, follow the same process. Generate the image using Leonardo AI or Midjourney AI. Animate it with Kling AI. Download and share your original, eye-catching video. Keep experimenting, mix different elements, and before you know it, you'll have a whole collection of viral animations. Step 5. Editing. Now for the final step, editing. For this, I'll be using CapCut, a free and easy-to-use tool, but you can go with any editor you like. First, import all your video clips into CapCut and drag them into the timeline. The more clips you use, the better. This helps increase the video length, which can boost your watch time. Here I'll combine all the clips into one smooth sequence. Once everything is in place, go to the transition section, try out different transitions, and pick the one that fits your video's style. Adding smooth transitions between clips makes everything flow seamlessly. Next, adjust the video frame to 9:16, so it's perfectly formatted for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Now, it's time to enhance the visuals. Head over to the filters section and experiment. I usually start with a clear filter for a fresh look, then apply different filters to match the mood of each clip. Find what works best for your video's vibe. Now, let's add some cool effects. Go to the effects section and explore the options. I'll add glowworm effect for a soft glowing touch, firefly effect to make the visuals pop, color diamond effect for that extra magical touch in the Noodle animation. Finally, upload your background music. If you're posting on Instagram or TikTok, use trending music to boost engagement. But if you're uploading on YouTube, make sure to use copyright-free music to avoid any issues. And that's it. With all these edits, your video is polished, eye-catching, and ready to go viral. That's it, guys. Now, let's check out the final results. What do you think? Pretty cool, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a comment and let me know what kind of AI videos you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest AI content creation tips. See you in the next video.